Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Daddy Pig's new broken glasses. In this video, it's all about glasses, eyes, and seeing clearly. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about glasses while we draw. Our eyes are amazing. They help us see books, balls, bugs, and big, bright skies. But sometimes our eyes need a little help to see clearly. That's where glasses come in. Glasses are like friendly helpers that sit on your nose. The lenses bend light so pictures look sharp for your eyes and your brain. Some people need help seeing far away, like the board in class. Some need help seeing up close, like words in a book. And some people wear glasses because bright sunlight can be too strong. Sunglasses protect eyes from the sun's invisible rays. There's a special helper called an eye doctor. You can say optometrist. That's a big word, but we can do it. An eye doctor checks how your eyes see. They use funny letters and lenses they switch, click, click, to find what helps you best. If you need glasses, you get lenses that are just right for you. Now, while you color your frames, I'll tell you a pretend story. Guess what happens when a super silly dad sits on his glasses? Oh no, snap! The glasses bend and look all wonky. He tries to make breakfast but pours cereal into his shoe instead of a bowl. He reads the cat's name tag like it's the clock. The cat is not impressed. He tiptoes to the mirror and says, why is everything fuzzy? He needs a fix, so he goes to the eye doctor shop. The helper smiles and says, don't worry, we'll fit new frames, check your lenses, and you'll see super clear. What do you think happened next? Did the dad pick bright blue frames, rainbow frames, or sparkly gold? If you think that's hilarious, give this video a big like. Okay, drawing buddies, here come some fun facts while we keep coloring. Ready? Your eyes blink a lot. Most people blink about 15 times every minute. That keeps eyes comfy and wet. Try it. Blink, blink. Your eye has a clear window called the cornea and a tiny door called the pupil. The pupil gets bigger in the dark and smaller in bright light. It's like your eye saying, more light please, or that's enough. Glasses have different jobs. Reading glasses help near things. Distance glasses help far things. Sunglasses block strong sunlight, like a tiny umbrella for your eyes. Some people wear safety glasses for science, sports, or building things. Eyes are precious, so we protect them. Frames help hold lenses in the right spot. Glasses should fit snug, not too tight. If they slide, a grown-up can help adjust them. To take care of glasses, use a soft cloth, keep them in a case, and ask a grown-up if something feels wobbly. Try not to bend them into a dinosaur shape, unless they really are dinosaur glasses. Roar! Not everyone needs glasses, and that's okay. If you need them, cool. If you don't, also cool. Glasses are like sneakers for your eyes. Food helps eyes too. Carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and water help keep eyes happy. Screen time tip: give your eyes breaks. Look far away, blink, and rest them for a moment. But that's not all. Did you know your eyeballs are about the size of a big grape? Even when you're sleeping, your eyes are resting and getting ready for another day of seeing and learning. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will pop with personality. Maybe your glasses have hearts, lightning bolts, or a tiny star. Mine might have a secret smiley inside the frame. Shh! And if glasses ever break, tell a grown-up. A quick fix can help for a moment, but visiting the eye doctor shop is best. Wow, you did amazing! Look at Daddy Pig's new broken glasses. Today we drew a pair of glasses and learned 3 big things. Glasses help our eyes see clearly. Sunglasses protect our eyes from bright sun. And taking care of glasses keeps them working their best. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!